Hey you guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today is just going to be an impromptu video of me making my own hair gel. This side is the side that I did my own hair gel on, and then this side is another hair gel, but that's going to be for another video. But real quick before we get into this video of you seeing me how to make my hair gel, I see that you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe please so you can become part of the BAM fam. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. So let's get right into this video. Guys, so I'm gonna show you my ingredients that I'm using, but I just really wanted to share with you guys that I am making my own hair gel with aloe vera powder, but I'm not going to use aloe vera like the plant like I normally do. I'm going to try the Zectum gum method with glycerin, hydrolyzed rice protein, and powdered aloe vera this time. And I am using a preservative, which I probably really didn't even need a preservative because I literally used the entire batch that I made in one day. But I just wanted to see how this was gonna go with me making my own hair gel without using the aloe vera plant or using flaxseed. So what I did was mix the glycerin and the Zectum gum, I hope I'm saying that right, together and let that sit for about 30 minutes. And then I mixed the rest of my products in with distilled water. I only used a cup of distilled water, but like I said before, I'm not really getting into the ingredients or how much I'm using because I'm really just playing around with this and wanting to see how the gel was going to react to my hair with it having hydrolyzed rice protein in it, and seeing how the Zectum gum was going to actually, like, just pretty much I was just experimenting, period. You get me? But one thing that I didn't like about this hair gel was the color. It looked like straight kind of like boo-boo. Like, I didn't want to say that, but it kind of do look like diarrhea, boom boom chow, diarrhea, boom boom chow. But it was great. The way that it smelled, the smell was just on point. Using peppermint oil, it was so on point. And it kind of gave me the texture of, I really don't even know. It kind of reminded me of like oatmeal, like when you leave oatmeal out on the counter. It kind of gave me that vibe, but the slip, you guys, is so crazy. Like when I applied this hair gel to my hair, the slip was so crazy. And the peppermint oil in this hair gel gave me that tingle that you love to feel on your scalp. You guys, this hair gel, it didn't flake, but like I said before, I want to test it a couple of more times before I give you guys like a for sure ingredients, like, oh, this is how you do this. But I wanted to test it on my hair first. But this is the next morning. I let it sit overnight and just trying to make it more thicker or seeing if it was going to get thicker, which it didn't. But I had already tested on a one patch of my hair, like up front, and I did the plopping method, which is just leaving your curls in a plastic bag overnight to let them suck up the, let them have more hydration and set overnight. So this is what the curls look like after they set overnight. My hair was still damp, but it wasn't like really, really wet. And then this is just me showing you guys like the curl definition or pattern and what it looked like. But as you guys can see, like by my ear, my curl pattern gets tighter. When it gets to like more closer to the middle of my head, my curl pattern gets looser. So it's just a whole bunch of stuff all over. Like my curl pattern is just all over the place. But because I had already did like a little demo on this front part by myself without being on a camera, I wanted to show you guys how I applied my hair gel. I really just did it on dry hair. And my hair, this is actually wash day. So that's why I'm packing all of this gel in my hair, because it is wash day. So I'm just showing you guys how like jelly it is. Like I can't even explain right now the texture of this gel is nothing that I've ever felt before, but it literally reminds me of oatmeal. And when I put it on my hair, I didn't even need to spray any water on my hair, you guys. This gel was so hydrating. It's so crazy. But I am going to make this gel again, and then the next time when I apply the gel, I want to do it on wet hair, like soaking wet hair, just to see if it makes the application even better, because I probably didn't even need to use that much hair gel. Honestly, what you guys seen me make only covered half of my hair, but like I said before, I'm putting it on straight dry hair, and I'm pretty sure if I put it on wet hair, it would have most definitely probably been distributed through my hair a lot more evenly. But I just wanted to give this just a shot because, like I said, it is wash day, and all I put in my hair the previous wash day was just oil. So I was just like, I don't have that much product on my hair at all, only oil. I could put a gel on the top of my hair just to even see if it will flake. And you guys, the gel didn't flake. But it did leave a gel cast on my hair. And I will go into more detail about that in another video, because I'm going to do a comparison with a store-bought gel. But this is just me showing you guys what my hair looks like dry, finger detangled, and then you just seen what it looked like wet. So just kind of giving you guys a comparison. So it was like a really impromptu. I just wanted to show you guys how I was making this hair gel. My hair is still wet at the roots, but the ends of my hair is completely dry. So this is an end result. Voila. I provided an end result for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I didn't give any detailed ingredients because I want to see if it's gonna flake, and since it was my first time actually making my hair gel, is like basically aloe vera hair gel without actually having an aloe vera leaf, I didn't want to give you guys like any type of ingredients or anything like that, just in case it flakes or it just doesn't agree with my hair. I didn't want to give you guys just a full, just an ingredient. So hopefully I can play around with it a little bit more and come back to you guys with actual ingredients. But this is what it looks like. I'm really quite shocked. No, I'm not doing a wash and go, y'all. I'm just trying to test out a couple of products, just playing around with a couple of products that I'm making, and what way better to test my products, and it's me, I have to do it myself on my hair. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you guys like this really impromptu hair video of my hair gel, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.